Let's get going, guys.
I haven't finished packing.
But your bag was right beside the door, ready to go.
I might have forgotten my phone charger. I'm going to check for a fifth time.
Okay, just don't take too long and put the bag in the car when you're done. Oh,
What?
you're not even dressed. Hurry up. Oh, well, at least someone's ready. Can you put Agoraphobia's bag in the car? Where is Agoraphobia?
No. I'm driving.
No, you're not.
I'm going to check again for my phone charger. I might have left it out when I repacked.
If you don't have it, you can use mine.
Or I'll buy you a new one when we get there. Depression!
What?
You're not dressed yet.
Change my underwear.
Oh, they'll have to do. Come on.
Okay.
No, you're not driving. It's going to be traffic. I'm going to be sick. I'm going to go check that the stove wasn't left on.
Fine, be quick about it.
Where's Agoraphobia?
They're not coming.
Glad you're back, OCD. Once panic gets here, we're just going to have to leave without Agoraphobia. I'm going to go check that the doors were locked. But Agoraphobia's inside. We don't have to lock the... I'll be right back.
1 hour later.
I'm going to go check that the doors are locked. No, we have checked at least 15 times. I am absolutely sure that every single door and window is locked. And it doesn't even have to be, because Agoraphobia apparently isn't coming.
But
We are leaving. Panic, where are the keys?
inside.
It's okay, Agoraphobia can let us back in.
I thought I should challenge my anxiety and come.
That's great to hear. Could someone please call the locksmith?
Try and take your anxiety on holiday.
Yeah.
I understand. It's bring your anxiety to work day.
You suck at your job. You're totally going to get fired, and everyone hates you.